Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a cake that I made when my family came visiting me, and I wanted to try something new. So this was an experiment, but it turned out really well and was very easy, so I thought I'd share it with you. You want to start out with some almonds in a bowl, and you want to go ahead and add some brown sugar to that. Then you want to add some butter in chunks, and you want to knead that until you have a kind of crumbly texture. When you're done with that, you want to put it in the fridge. Next, you want to take a new bowl. You want to take butter that is room temperature. You want to add some sugar, a little bit of salt, and some vanilla extract. All the exact measurements are down below as always. And then you want to mix that until you have a nice fluffy texture. Next, you want to go ahead and add in the eggs one by one. Then you want to go ahead and add in the lemon zest as well as the lemon juice. And then give that another mix. Now it's time to prepare the fruit. So I used pears and a mango. You can use other fruit if you want to. And you want to cut it down into smaller cubes. Now I decided not to peel the pears, and I don't think that this was an issue. I was a little bit worried, but it turned out really well. Next, you can see me struggle with the mango, which unfortunately wasn't really ripe, which happens quite often here, so I'm used to this struggle. But for baking it was still fine. You again want to try to cut it down into cubes. Then you want to take your dough again, and you want to go ahead and add the flour as well as the baking soda, and then give it a final mix. When everything is combined, your dough should be ready, and you want to take a baking tin with some baking paper, and you want to spread out the dough evenly. Then you want to add on the fruit again, try to get quite an even layer of it. And this will sink into the dough while baking. Last but not least, you want to add on the crumbles or streusel, and then you're ready to bake with 180 degrees Celsius for about 50 to 55 minutes. And you should have a very simple but very delicious cake with some fruit. So I hope you give this a try. I really liked it, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!